Hey there, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to turn off WhatsApp Media Auto Download. If you're tired of having your phone's storage clogged up with unwanted photos and videos, then this video is for you. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to disable this feature on Android devices. The first step is to launch WhatsApp on your phone and tap on the three vertical dots in the top right corner. Select Settings from the drop-down menu, then go to Storage and Data. In this section, you'll see the Media Auto Download option. You can turn off auto download for photos, audio, and videos when using mobile data, Wi-Fi, or roaming. And there you have it, folks. By following these simple steps, you can turn off WhatsApp Media Auto Download and free up space on your phone. It's a small change, but it can make a big difference in how much storage you have available. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.